So we're in the LG booth. We're looking at Signature products. I'm here with Michael from Signature Kitchen Suites. Thank you for joining us. And we're in front of the double oven combi steam unit, right? This is a brand new unit that Signature by LG has come out with, right?
That's right. It's a brand new unit, just makes its way to the market. So we're excited to show it here at the AVB show.
So we were kind of playing with this prior, and what I like is this big InstaView window. So we can see everything that's inside pretty easily, right?
Yeah, it's really very helpful if you're cooking and you're baking something in there and you just want to take a quick peek of what's going on. So you can also turn it off this way. And then if it's like cooking right now and you're just walking up to it, you don't have to necessarily open up the oven door. You can just literally knock on the oven door, the feature that you know from all the refrigerators that are out there, now made its way to the oven as well.
And then when we open this, one thing you did point out is that this has a built-in camera in the door.
Oh, this is like a super exciting feature. So our ovens have now cameras in the oven door, like right in between the glass, so it's always well protected. And then the camera does a lot of things for you. So you can use your smartphone and kind of you get the doorbell experience in your oven in which you can view inside the oven and see what's cooking and see what the status is of it. And then even at the end of the cooking process, you can get a time lapse recorded that you can send to friends and family and take pictures. But now one of the really cool features that I shared with you before is that we also have something that we call Gourmet AI, which is really like a super smart and intelligent feature that's layered on top of the camera that connects our guided cooking experience with that camera. So what happens is, so I've got asparagus in here. When I close that oven door, that oven's gonna look for food, right? And then it's gonna bring up the entire screen here with something that it thinks is asparagus. And then it sorts it from left to right. So highest likelihood is asparagus on the far left. You can push the button here on asparagus and go directly into guided cooking. So it's super convenient and very easy to use for anyone just to activate guided cooking. So here it tells you what to do. Maybe you want to enter how much you've got and then ultimately hit the start button and you kind of go from there. 12 minutes, in this case, or almost 13 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit, and it's good to go.
So there's no reason why anybody can't be a great cook. So anybody out there that says, I'm not very good at cooking, you need to get this Signature double combi steam unit with AI technology.
That's right.
To make sure everything comes out perfectly.
Yep, that's right.
Thank you so much. Any other great features that...
I mean, the look of it, like, we showed this at KBIS, we had a lot of designers come through the booth, and this transitional design, the way we call it and how you described it, was really a big hit. Another thing, just thinking about the cooking hardware in a way, is it's a steam combi oven. So here's your water reservoir. It takes about maybe 1 liter of water. It allows you to steam cook, steam sous vide. So really in this segment, that's that makes this unit relatively unique, and it's very cool that we have it. So a very versatile oven, does all the healthy cooking for you with steam, but also the other healthy cooking, which is air fry. So it comes with air fry for this oven as well.
So everything, again, kind of everything you would ever need in an oven, we've got here.
Absolutely.
Signature Kitchen Suite, double combi unit. It's going to be available now?
Now.
Perfect.